So, hello children. Today we are going to learn the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So, cell is a Latin word and cella means the small room. So, basic structural, functional and biological unit of the any living organism is a cell. So, cells are smallest unit of life that can replicate independently. Building blocks of the life. These are main building blocks of the life. And there are two types of cells. One is eukaryotic, second is the prokaryotic. So, eukaryotic which contain true nucleus and prokaryotic which do not. So, this is the structure of prokaryotic cells. Here we are with structure of eukaryotic cell. So, in case of difference between these two cells, in case of occurrence of these two cells, prokaryotic cells are characteristic of bacteria and blue-green algae, whereas the eukaryotic cells are found in all animals and plants except blue-green algae and bacteria. In case of size, mostly 1 to 10 micrometer prokaryotic cells are in size, whereas eukaryotic cells are around 10 to 100 micrometer in the size. Then multicellular forms, in case of multicellular forms, prokaryotic cells never occur in the multicellular form. Instead of saying rare, we can say multicellular form is almost absent in case of prokaryotic cell, whereas in case of eukaryotic cells it is very common with the extensive tissue formation. Then in case of cell wall is present in most, but mycoplasma is the exception for the presence of cell wall in prokaryotic cell. In bacteria, cell wall is made up with the murin, polysaccharides, lipids and proteins. In case of animal cells, the lack of cell wall, but in plant cell wall is made up with the cellulose, and chitinous cell wall is present in the fungi. Plasma membrane is present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Nuclear membrane is absent in case of prokaryotic cell, whereas nuclear membrane is present in case of eukaryotic cells. Then chromatin with histone protein is absent in prokaryotic cell, whereas chromatin with histone protein is present inside the nucleus of the eukaryotic cell. Number of chromosomes in prokaryotic cell is only one, that single double stranded circular coiled DNA itself, it serves as a prokaryotic chromosome, whereas the number of chromosome per cell depends upon the types of organisms. Then chromosomes, the chromosome is circular ring lacking of centromere, and in case of eukaryotic, each chromosome is linear having a centromere. Genetic material in prokaryotic cell is a circular, that is double stranded DNA. Only exons are present. Exons are the functional units which are present in the DNA, whereas in case of eukaryotic cell, it is linear double stranded DNA. Genes are frequently interrupted by the intron sequences. Intron sequence is nothing but these are the interrupting non-functional units which are present inside the DNA. Then nuclei and mitotic appearance is absent in case of prokaryotic cell, whereas nucleoli and mitotic apparatus both are present in case of eukaryotic cell. Nucleolus is absent in prokaryotics, whereas nucleolus is present for the synthesis and organization of ribosomes in case of eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell contain plasmids. Plasmid is nothing but extra chromosomal genetic material, whereas plasmids are generally absent in case of eukaryotic cell. Then mesosomes perform the function of Golgi bodies and mitochondria and help in the separation of the chromosomes during the cell division, whereas mesosomes are completely absent in case of eukaryotic cells. Mitochondria is absent in prokaryotic, whereas it is present in eukaryotic cells. Below mitochondria, it is a chloroplast, which is absent in prokaryotic cell and present in the eukaryotic cell, especially plant cells. Only plant cells contain chloroplast. Then vacuoles are absent again in prokaryotic cells, whereas vacuoles are present in case of eukaryotic cells. Lysosomes are again absent, chloroplast is absent, and centrioles are also absent in case of prokaryotic cells. All three are present in eukaryotics. Ribosomes are of 70S types, which present freely inside cytoplasm and continuously helps in the process of protein synthesis. Whereas in case of eukaryotic cells, both 70 and 80S types of ribosomes are present. 80S types of ribosomes are present in cytoplasm, whereas 70S type of ribosomes are present in chloroplast and mitochondria. Then microtubules are absent in case of prokaryotics, whereas microtubules are present in case of eukaryotics. Flagella, it is a simple structure of flagella which is composed of the protein flagellin, whereas in case of eukaryotic cells, the complex structure, which is a 9+2 structure, is present with tubulin and other proteins in case of eukaryotic cells. Cyclosis, there are no streaming movement inside the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell, whereas cytoplasm shows the streaming movement, that is cyclosis, in case of eukaryotic cell. Protein synthesis, the transcription and translations, both processes takes place inside cytoplasm. In case of eukaryotic cell, transcription occurs inside nucleus and translation takes place inside the cytoplasm. Duration of cell cycle is very short in prokaryotics, that is 20 to 60 minutes to complete, whereas cell cycle is long and it takes about 12 to 24 hours for completion in eukaryotic cells. So lastly, the conclusion of this PPT is the cells are the basic unit of organization or structures of all living matter. There are two types of cells, that is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, and there are so many differences present in between these two cells, like occurrence, size, cell wall, nucleus, nuclear membrane, cell organelles, respiration, sexual system, and protein synthesis. Thank you.